Hello, welcome to BMeks Info Channel. Here we share free tips how to make your computer work better. Please subscribe to our channel if this tip works out for you. In less than 2 minutes, I would share with you simple tip on how to update your Windows drivers. And that would make your system to work better. Now, go to your Windows search bar and type Device Manager. As you can see, it has popped up. Just click Open. And here you are going to see so many applications currently running in your system. Just go to your display adapter. I hope you can see my cursor pointing at it. Just double-click on it and this is your graphic card. I'm using AMD. Your own might be Intel depending on the system you are using. Just right-click on it and select Update. And once you click Update, this will pop up. It will then ask you how do you want to search for drivers. If your driver is outdated, show up here. And you can search automatically for drivers. And your internet must be on or you can browse. If you have a graphic card already in your library, you can then bring it up and reinstall it. But the best thing to do is to scan automatically. If your own is outdated, and normally it will show on top of this list. I'm using Windows 11 and I think this applies also to Windows 10. If you are trying to really update your drivers, click on it and it will search and update it automatically for you. And that will resolve all the issues you have with your system. I think that's the simple way to go about it. I want you to subscribe to my channel and also pass this information to your colleagues who might benefit from this insight.